All right, tonight I'm going to blow up this pumpkin using the Kung Fu rabbits. But before we do that, we're going to do a couple other things. We're going to light some Maddox firecrackers, and we're going to do a 48 shot color pearl. And then for the grand finale, we'll be blowing up this pumpkin I carved out right here. So, all right, so we're gonna let it get just a tad darker, then we're gonna get to it. All right, here we go with the Maddox firecracker. All right, here we go with the color pearl flower 48 shot. That's the 48 shot everything. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness. All right, there's what's left. That definitely blew it apart. Wow, those things are powerful. Pieces way over here. There's the lid. Oh yeah, it was a success.